Good morning! And we're heading to Disneyland! Oh my god, I'm so makulit, baby! Okay guys, we'll see you guys there! And as you can see, I have socks on my hair. Why are you laughing on me?
We're laughing with you, not at you.
Look at me. I'm gonna curl my hair. So I'm using curls. I know, I'm using socks. I'm using curls.
Using what?
I'm using socks! Ewan ko bakit natawanan niyo ako. Nakakatawa ba ako?
Opo.
Yan, nakikita niyo po yung attitude ko kay Jordan. Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you later na yung magiging result dito kasi I tried this once and it was good. Okay guys, I'll see you there. Bye! And we're back. We're just gonna charge the car right now. That's my baby's gonna charge. I just woke up. Sana all nakadalawang tulog na.
Sana all.
Ito ang baby ko. Baby kong makulit. Huh? This is my baby. Nauutot ako?
Outside. Don't give me that look. You can fart outside.
Sabi ko sa kanya, utot ako, pero ayaw niya akong pautotin dito sa car. That's mean.
That's not mean. It's courtesy.
It's courtesy. No, the courtesy is that
No,
I'm saying
no,
that...
No.
Baby, can you please
No.
just let me explain?
No thanks.
The courtesy is I'm saying
thanks.
I wanna party.
Oh, too bad. I want a lot of things. I don't get it, so too bad.
That's so
Well,
gross.
put your tongue back.
Oh, yun po yung signature post ni Jordan. So yeah, we're back. We're like 5 minutes away from the airport and Sam is already waiting for us there. So trying to travel. Traveling is fun, but
I'm tired. And it's only 10:30 in the morning.
we left around 4 a.m. and then we've been traveling for almost 7 hours, I guess, because we stopped for charging. So yeah, and we're so excited to see Sam. We're gonna pick him up, I mean his bag, and then we're gonna go straight into Disneyland. And oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yeah, so Sam is Jordan's best friend and Sam is my friend as well, and he is the reason why we met. And yeah, we are forever grateful for him. So yeah, see you later, Sam. Excited to see you. And yeah, we're finally here. We're just getting some ticket. What's the ticket for?
To pay for parking sa palabas.
We're gonna pay some parking ticket. Look who's with us. Come here.
Hi. That's a bit. Here we are at Disneyland Paris. Finally, after 8.5 hours.
Oh my gosh.
So,
So,
we're ready to
Yep.
go in. Gonna take some pictures. She is. She's gonna get a headband.
O, di ba? Ang kapal niyan.
Oh. Baby, hi.
which is better? This one or this one?
Like they're both cute. This one is like really mini. This one's just like fancy. So,
Because I'm a fancy girl.
depende sa gusto mo. Ano yung gusto mo, baby?
This one or this one?
Oh. Wow, cutie. But
Gusto
Sige, yan na lang.
Kung ano yung gusto mo, Ben?
Yep.
You happy? Yan. Ooh, look at her.
Okay lang.
Oo.
Yeah?
There you go.
Let's go na.
Look at you. Here we are at Disneyland, Paris. We're still at the entrance, taking lots of pictures, videos, as you can tell. Karin nagka-picture at video sila habang naghintay ako. Tapos nasa entrance pa lang kami. Hindi pa kami nakapasok sa park. So ganoon na yung buong araw, picture. Pero okay lang yun. Basta masaya sila. Lunch.
Pangit ka na.
No, this is our food. Marionette burger, Fanta, some cake, some fries, and some water. Gutom ka ba? Wala siya. Gutom na. Alright, dito tayo sa Discoveryland.
Yeah.
Tapos nasa Fantasyland.
Tapos na yung princess.
Oo,
So it's Jordan's time.
nag-picture sila sa mga sa mga locations sa Fantasyland. Tapos wala na si Weng. Punta siya sa Eiffel Tower.
Yep.
And we're going to Alright, we're walking to the parade. We went on Star Tours, Muna. How was that?
It was so nice. I loved it.
And then after that, we went to the Mickey Philharmonic 3D or 4D. How was
So
that?
good as well.
Yeah,
I
right?
love both.
The two rides that require glasses. Now we're gonna try to find the parade. everybody. I'm
We're
tired.
still alive. My God.
It's almost 10 o'clock at night. Fireworks are at 10:50. We just ate. We're full. The rest of the night. We're gonna charge our phone a little bit and go see some fireworks. And then drive 8 hours home with Sam. It's been a crazy day, no? But a good one. We'll see you guys later.
For Disney.